Hello and thank you for tuning in to Embrace My Melanin. It's your girl Rochelle, and in today's video, yes, as you saw by the title, we are going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of March. But it's not only a Boxycharm box, it is a Luxe Boxycharm box, okay? So, as you guys know, I've been getting this box for about 2 years now, I think. Yeah, at least 2 years now. At least 2 years now. Minimum. Maximum? I don't know. Y'all know I've been getting it. If y'all been watching me for a while, y'all know I've been getting it for almost the start, okay? So if you'd like to see what I got inside my box for the month of March, please keep on watching. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the button down below, boo. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up while you at it. Please and thank you. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. And for the theme for this month right here, of course, it is lucky. Also for St. Patrick's. Now, you guys know I live in Savannah and we are a huge St. Patty's celebration town, and I stay away from all of the shenanigans, but they still came in this year for, the celebration, even though we still in the middle of a little Panera. We still in the middle of it, but they still came on in. So see why I stay away from the shenanigans. I stay away from the shenanigans, okay? Well, let's go ahead and see what we got inside our box, okay? Now, the first thing I see right here, it is Barbarella eyeshadow palette. Okay, this is by B Beauty. Okay, and this is does it say how many? It doesn't say how many eyeshadows are inside here. Let me go ahead and open up. I think if I'm right, based on the packaging, it might have some pinks and some bright colors inside here. I was dead ass wrong. I was wrong. It only has this one very bright blue, but all the other ones are very jewel toned and, neutrals. Pretty palette. Of course, they're putting that pop of blue in these palettes. Why, I don't know. But overall, this is a very pretty palette. Very pretty, very jewel toned, okay? So, all right, B Beauty, okay. Now, let's see here. This one retails for $50. $50, so not bad, okay? Next up, I see here by Soleil. I'm going to take that off. Soleil Beauty. It is their mini heat brush in the shade Apricot. Okay. And it comes inside this little felt bag right here. Something's in here. Hold on. Instructions, maybe? Oh, okay. Oh, I think I got something from them before. I think I don't know. I think I maybe got a barrel iron, curling iron, maybe like a year and a half ago. Maybe like in my first or my second box. Or was it the hair dryer? I can't remember now off the top of my head. But anyway, but here it is. It's the porcupine brush. That's what I call these brushes when they have that. The porcupine brushes, but it's supposed to be a heat brush right here. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to keep this because I'm going through, well, I might keep it, but I probably won't be able to use it for at least, I don't know, probably at least another year. I'm going through this phase where I'm doing nothing but protective hairstyles. As you guys saw last, I had my soft locks inside my hair, and they were crochet locks. So I don't know when I'll be able to use this. It's hard to get back into this barrel. Come on now. Come on. Okay. All right, but I got that, okay, and this retails for, where are you? Woo! Okay, that retails for $150. Oh, God darn, okay. So we're already up to a $200 retail value, so let's keep going, okay? Oh, okay, now I see something already that I'm interested in, okay? This is by Beauty Bakery, and this is their blending eggs right here. Okay, I think these were on sale at one point at Ulta last year, and I missed out on getting them, but I got them here, okay? And I love Beauty Bakery's packaging. I really, really do. Okay. So here we go. And it's like a little carton. It's so cute. Okay. And okay. So I got the blue and the pink eggs right there. Okay. I can't wait to try these. I really can't, because I was running out of beauty blenders because I haven't cleaned mine, you know. Y'all know. Okay, so these retail for $18. Okay, all right, so $218, not bad, not bad. Okay, all righty then. And next up we have, here by Dominique Cosmetics. Okay, and it is what is this? This is a creamy fill and define lip liner. Okay, in the shade Crush. Okay, here. See here, Dominique Cosmetics retails for $18. Okay, and there it is right there. I wonder if you guys can see that. Let me take off the top. Okay. Okay. Now I don't know if you guys can see this, but it has a tip like the ABH brow definer. That's what it's like. Okay, so alrighty. Okay, and that's the color right there. Okay. Now I just recently saw a video. I think it was I'm gonna annotate his name down below on the screen. I forgot, he's Oprah's makeup artist, okay? And he's been doing her makeup for I would say minimum 30 plus years, okay? But he's been doing her makeup for so long, and he did a routine on his Instagram, and it showed me what I could be doing for these much fairer lipstick lip liners that I'm thinking these ain't gonna go for me, what I'm gonna line my lips for. But he did something pretty interesting, so I'm interested in now trying to bring in those techniques with, filling in and making lip colors work on my lips that I would not naturally or normally reach for. So we're gonna see. We're gonna be playing in some makeup, okay? All right, next up, did I say how much that retail for? That retail for $18 if I missed it, okay? So I think we're at $236. Yeah, we're now at $236, okay? All right, so now we have the by the Glow Recipe, we have the Plump Hyaluronic Serum, okay, for deep hydration and glow. So there that is right there, okay? I've only tried maybe one thing from the Glow Recipe, I think, or I got a sample. I can't remember off the top of my head. No, I at least, no, I got it. I think I got it inside one of my Boxycharm boxes. I think. I could be wrong. Anyway, but here it is, the Glow Recipe, and ooh, that retails for $42 right there, okay? This concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. The Silky Water Gel Serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic, and vegan collagen, okay? The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of skin for deep hydration, okay? I can't wait to try this, okay? Because lately I have been seeing a lot of dry spots on my skin, just this dry patches, and I'm thinking maybe it's because it's the change in the weather. It looks like it's going to be changing back on over to being spring, but it's still a little confused because last night it was cold, but today it's warm again, and we're jumping back and forth. And we had a little mini hurricane warning a couple of days ago. I don't know what I want to do. The weather is bipolar. But it's okay. Okay? But I will be trying this out right here since it's supposed to be a lightweight formula for your face. And I'm going to most definitely let you know how this do for your girl. Skincare. I love it. What can I say? All right. Next up. Ooh, excuse me. We have the Eloise Mini Teardrop Brush. Right there, there's the packaging right here. Okay, and okay. Oh, okay. So, okay, yeah. So it's this little teardrop shaped brush right here. Okay, and has a little handle right there on top. This is really, really cute. This is really, 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 really cute. Okay, so we have the Eloise. Okay, whoa, okay. So this retails for $45. The mini teardrop brush is the first ever brush to be made in its style with thousands of super soft synthetic fibers in each vegan friendly and cruelty free brush. Okay, guaranteed remarkable results. Teardrop brush can be used for all base applications. Okay, making it a revolutionary brush. A revolutionary brush. Okay. All right. So I might just try this to see how it works on putting on my foundation. Because it's very, I will say this, it is very, very soft. Ooh, that's soft. Ooh. Okay, I might stop in a second. I doubt it. This feels so good. Okay, let me stop. Okay. So there it is. Okay, $45. Not bad. I think, did I give you all the, I didn't. I lost count. We over $300. Okay. All right. So let's keep going here. Right here we have the, let's see here, the AMNH Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. Okay. So here that is right there, just so you can see it. That is not, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Nope. Yeah. I'll insert a picture, okay? All right, so next we have this plumping mask right here. Is the AMNH skincare, okay? And say what now? Whew. $42. $42 for something that's not. Oh no, excuse me. They say this is 1 fluid ounce. For okay, it doesn't smell bad, but it's 24 karat lip plumping. Now, I don't need nothing necessarily to plump my lips because you know she got it from her mama, okay? However, $42. All right, we're gonna see if we can plump these what's already plumped. You know, can it get any more juicier? We'll see. We'll see. Okay. And then last but not least, we have, let's see here. Ooh, I've been wanting to try this brand. I never pulled the trigger. Okay, we have Skin Ink right here. Okay, we have the My Daily Dose of Glow Illuminate and Brighten by Skin Ink right here. I've been wanting to try this brand for a couple of years now, and I just never pulled the trigger. I never pulled the trigger because I was still learning about skincare and I'm particular, and you know my price range to what I'm getting, you know, ratio. Y'all understand. You know, we money ain't built on trees because overall I would have 1,000,000 doggone trees. I would have been brought my house. However, okay. Alrighty then. So this is the Skin Ink, My Daily Dose of Glow. And this retails for $65. A custom pre-blended serum specially designed to revive the skin of dull and aging skin for a youthful complexion with an evenable, I think it's called evenable glow. Okay. All right. So there you go. Right there, $65. Now this is just for one. I was looking at some things and I wanted them to like really like I was looking at maybe like a good 4 or 5 different things because I just thought my skin needed it, but I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, it's been years, okay? All right, but that retail for $65, okay? And is that it? Yeah. Yep, that is it. That is all for this unboxing. Let me come right back. Let me add all this up real quick. Okay. Okay, so I just added up everything and it came to a grand total of $430 retail for everything I got here today. Listen. And I paid $49.99 plus tax. I think it came to a total of like 53 and some change, and not even $55 for all of this. Listen. If you have not signed up for Boxycharm, you know who I'm talking to. You know who I'm talking to. You just told me the other day that you ain't pulled the trigger yet on it. I promise you, even if you did it for just a year, and not even adding the Luxe box, okay? Because I ain't trying to point into nobody pockets, okay? You know, your girl saving for a house as it is, and I'm counting every penny that I let go out this dough. However, if you are looking to invest in your makeup and your skincare collection, Boxycharm, or if you want to try it, what's it called? Ipsy. I can't think right now, y'all. I'm tired. I'm sorry, but Boxycharm most definitely it is the way to go. So affordable, and you get so much for what you pay for. Okay, but most definitely, hey, it's worth it. At least to me, it's worth it. Okay, all right. But I can honestly say that I am glad that I got the Beauty Bakery. I was waiting on that. Oh, can't wait to try these two right here. These two right here with my dry skin and this bipolar weather, chap. This right here, can't wait to try it. And I'll most definitely get back to you guys on this because, like I said, dry skin. I've been eyeing these for years, this brand for years, and I love this brand right here. I've heard nothing but great things about this brand right here, okay? And we're going to see what the pump do because it's $42, 14 karat gold. But I digress, okay? But that is it. That is all for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the button down below. And if you have not already, give me a thumbs up. And if you like these kinds of videos, go ahead and give you girls a thumbs up, please. And thank you. Remember to stay blessed, stay beautiful. And please, guys, continue to stay safe. We still in the panorama. We still in the whole Panera bread. Panini. Y'all know what I mean, okay? Stay safe.